So it's been raining since last night, non-stop, but eventually we are having good weather to hang out with. So I'm happy for these people. Everybody is going out from my family for some work, and I'm gonna be home alone today. Moreover, I have got a lot of work to do. Let's see. Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing really great. So today I'm home alone, and when you're home alone, the usual thing that you get to do is to clean your house and prepare food for yourself. So first I'll clean the house, and then I'll see what do I have to prepare for myself. Although I have had my breakfast, which I had this aloo ke parathe, if you know that. So I just had it. Actually, my mom already prepared it, and afterwards she left. I mean, not just she, everybody left. So let's get started. So let's add some floor cleaner so that our floor will be shining. Let's start. Well, for this part, I'm checking whether I have placed camera at appropriate position or not. Just I did it for fun. So I started with drawing room. You can see that I'm really good in it. I cover all the corners, and my mom gonna be so happy when she gonna see this video. Behind her, I did this much. Anyway, so it's good. It's pretty good. The people who are wondering that why didn't I do dusting first before mopping, that is because झाड़ू पहले ही लगा दिया मम्मी ने. सिर्फ पोछे वाला काम है जो मुझे वो देके गई, और मेरे खाने का और एक दो छोटे मोटे. Then I moved to my parents' room and I cleaned it thoroughly, like I mopped it really well. And ever since this second wave of corona came, our maids stopped coming, and all the work of cleaning came to me and my mom. However, mainly my mom does most of the work. I work as a helping hand to her. I try to take small tasks which I feel that I should help her. So, just being a gentle son or a gentleman, I try to help her as much as possible. We all should do, right? So I do it. I'm done almost all the rooms, just this main gallery is left, so I'll do it just now. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है इधर, और तो मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन ह्यूमिडिटी और उमस बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है काम करने में. देख पा रहे नहीं आप लोग, पता नहीं, मेरी पूरी टी शर्ट गीली हो चुकी है अभी, जैसे मैं जिम से आ रहा हूँ अभी. एनीवे, कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Actually, work is not really that difficult or that big. It's just that this climate and weather and this north region of India, which is driving me nuts these days. So, I can do it. It's just that I'm feeling so hot here. देख रहे हो कितनी मेहनत करता है लड़का. एकदम मेहनती. सफाई तो हो गई अभी, और बहुत गर्मी लग रही है मुझे. अभी मैं नहाने जाता हूँ और फिर रोटियां बनाते हैं गोल एकदम. ये मेरे दादा दादी. So see you in 2 minutes. गर्मी सब अपनी जगह है, स्टाइल में कमी नहीं आनी चाहिए भाई साहब के. भाई राजा बेटा है, हम सारा काम करते हैं, सफाई भी करते हैं, खाना भी बनाते हैं, और एक्चुअली बाहर रहो तो फिर ये सब चीज़ें आ जाती है. तो एक बोल रहा हूँ मैं वैसे, लेकिन बता देता हूँ. तो साफ़ सफाई भाई हम सारा करते हैं. और अभी साफ़ सफाई से मुझे याद आया कि मुझे कपड़े भी धोने हैं. मशीन चलानी है. मशीन मैंने चलाई नहीं थी कल. नहाने के बाद मैंने ऐसे ही डाल दी थी और फिर मैं भूल गया. वो अभी चला देते हैं उसको. दिस इज़ राइट हेयर. खत्म सा हुआ पड़ा है. मैं नहाऊंगा कैसे अगर कपड़े नहीं धोने होंगे. कपड़े ही अभी डाले हैं धुलने के लिए, तो नहा धो सकते नहीं अभी। तो काम करते हैं, पहले रोटी बना लेते हैं। लेट्स कुक फूड एंड देन विल गो फॉर हैव अ बाथ और शावर। So here comes our tawa, or in English we call it griddle, and some people call it flat frying pan or flat disc frying pan. Let's make I have made a small ball, dough ball, and just start rolling it. Take some flour. You can see the speed, right? I have not increased the speed, it's my natural speed. Just kidding. See, एक इंजीनियर ही है, मतलब एक देयर इज अ सेइंग राइट, एन इंजीनियर कैन डू एनीथिंग, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी करेक्ट। एक इंजीनियर ही है जो सच में कुछ भी कर सकता है, मतलब उसको भी नहीं पता कि वो क्या क्या कर सकता है। तो ये रोटियां मुझे नहीं पता था पहले कभी कि मैं कभी रोटियां भी बना सकता हूँ, मतलब अभी पता नहीं चला है मुझे। जब मैं बाहर रह रहा था तो मैंने कोशिश करी और बन गई मेरे से, हमेशा से अच्छी बनी है। तो मतलब तारीफ़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन हाँ, हमेशा से अच्छी बनी है। अभी जो फूलेगी ना, many women out there will be feeling little envious, I'm telling you. एकदम गुब्बारे जैसी। Actually, I'm doing. I don't know where have I put this camera. Yeah, now it's come. See, it's so nice, right? It like proper chapati. Effects, huh? Effects. I'm learning, I know. See, how am I able to make this good chapati? Of course, I have got it genetically from my mom, but when I was in Bangalore and me and my flatmates were living together.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
We are flatmates, of course we are living together. Anyway, so me and my friends used to cook together, so chapati and this roti, it was my department. Although my other friend used to roll it, I used to bake it, but I am very efficient with rolling as well. I like my hand rolled chapati. I don't know how to call it, but it's pretty good. I'm good with chapatis. Now let's have some stuff to eat these chapatis with. So I'm having here baigan aloo ki sabji. In English we can call it a mix of brinjal or eggplant, some people call it, and with potatoes. And now I'll add some spices to my taste and serve it to myself and have the delight. So I hope you like it, and that's how I spent my whole home alone day with some office related work and some other work. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please do share with your friends. Thanks for watching.